Well, guys, look at that clear water, beautiful ocean, and of course, I'm in the beautiful parish of Portland. Portland has some of the most beautiful beaches in Jamaica. So my niece and I, we had an awesome weekend in Portland. We met up with some of my friends and we journeyed to Turtle Bay. But first, we had to stop at KFC. So we're at KFC now, and what did you just say?
Auntie.
Why do you want to stay in the car?
Auntie.
We're going to KFC. You coming?
No.
Why not? But you can't stay in the car by yourself? You want them to lock me up? Kevian, look at me. Hello. Do you want me to go to prison?
No.
Well, you have to come with Auntie because there's nobody else in the car. It's just you and I.
No. It's going.
Come on, we're going to KFC. Do you want fries?
Yes.
Okay, so come, let's get fries. Are you going to go in the water?
No.
Why not? But you said you wanted to go to the beach, so why don't you want to go in the water now? Are you afraid of the water?
Yes.
Why? But you like to swim, remember?
A few minutes later.
Are you ready for the beach? Yay! Say it again. Are you ready for the beach?
Yes.
Good girl. Look at that horsey. Do you see the horse?
Yes.
Wow. The horse is pretty, right? The horse go neigh, 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 all through the town. ready to go in the water?
Yes.
Okay, so open that, yeah. You know what's that happened to me when they at the hotel? Where would I take the shot? The first shot. We take a second shot, you know. The guy never videos.